Yes, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in Sbi Clerk Mains 2022. So it is question based on profit sharing. So P started a business with rupees X, and after initially there are three-person PQR, and P started a business with rupees X. So they mention X, and after 8 months Q joined him with rupees X plus 3,000. So P started business initially with X. After 8 months of P started business, Q joined him with rupees X plus 300, and after another 1 month R also joined them with some investment. Means for R they have not given any investment, they have just mentioned some investment. Now profit share of Q and R becomes equal. So uh, q, um, Q joined with investment with X plus 3,000, and R also joined, and their profit share is equal. So now profit share of Q and R become equal after a year. So for a year we need to calculate after a year. Okay, and profit share of P is twice of profit share of Q, and profit share of P is uh, double of Q. And find the investment made by R. So we need to find the investment made by R. So we will just note down info given. So P started a business with X. So P invested. So P invested X amount, and Q invested X plus 3,000, and R invested, we don't know how much R has invested, so we will consider it as some random quantity Y. So P invested X amount, and Q invested X plus 3,000, and R invested, we don't know. And time period for P is for a year we are calculating. So from P started, so for time period for P is 12 months. Time period for Q is after 8 months. After 8 months, so initially P started, after 8 months it will be 4 months. So 12 minus 8 will be 4 months. So P started a business by investing X amount, and after 8 months means 12 minus 8 is 4 months. So after, so in a year there is 12 months. So after 8 months means we need to subtract from 12. So 12 minus 8 will be 4, and R invested Y, and they have mentioned R also joined them with the some investment, and after another 1 month means it will be 3 month. Means initially P started, so for P it is 1 year. 8 months means it is 4 months, and for R they have mentioned after one after another 1 month means 4 minus 1 is 3. So we can consider in January P invested. After 8 months means in September he, and in October R invested. So in general you can consider P invested initially for year 12 months. After 8 months means it will be 12 minus 8 is 4, and R invested Y means another 1 month means it will is 3 months. So this is the amount, and this is the time duration. So one formula is there for profit ratio. For profit share or profit ratio, profit share, so it will be investment into investment duration. Duration means for how much time they have investment. So profit share of P, profit share of P, how it will be? Investment of P is How much he invested? X into investment duration means for how much period of time. So X into 12. So we can write it as 12x. Similarly for Q, share of Q is, so investment of Q is X plus 3000 and their duration is 4 months. So 4. So we can write it as 4 into X plus 3000 for Q. Similarly for I also we can find profit share of R. It is not I, so it is R, PQR. So profit investment of R we have assumed as Y and time period is 3. So it will be 3Y. So this is the profit share of P, profit share of Q and profit share of R. So in the next what they have mentioned. So now profit share of Q and R become equal after a year. So profit share of Q equal to R. So profit share of R is 3Y and profit share of Q is 4 into X plus 3000. This is they have mentioned profit share of Q and become equal and profit share of P is twice of profit share of Q. So profit share of P is twice of Q. So profit share of P is 12x into Q's is 4 into, so here 4 is there, so it is into 4 x plus 3000. Here into is there, so 12x equal to 2 into 4 is 8 x plus 3000. Okay, so next up to here, find the investment made by R, means how much amount R has invested. So R invested Y, so we need to, by using these two equation, we need to find the value of Y, how much amount Y invested, means R invested, R invested Y, so Y rupees we will consider. So we need to find the value of I. So from here we will solve for x. 12x, 8 into x is 8x, so 8 into 3 is 24, so it will be 24,000. So we are multiplying for a bracket, so we need to multiply both the terms. 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 3 is 25,000. So 12x minus 8x, so 24,000 adds it is, so plus 8x here minus it will become, so 12 minus 8 is 4x, 24,000. So value of x will be 24,000 divided by 4, so it will be 6,000. So value of x is 6,000 we have found. We need to find the value of y. So how can we find the value of y? So we will write value of y as, okay, so y we can write 3y. We will substitute the value of x from here, so only one term will be unknown. So x is, here it is 4, value of x is 6,000. So we are substituting value of x in a first equation. So 3y as it is, 4 as it is, x is 6,000 plus 3,000. So 3y, so 6,000 plus 3,000 is 4 into 9,000. So 6,000 plus 3,000, 9,000. So y will be 4 into 9,000. Here it is a multiply here, so it will divide. So 3 ones are, here it will be 3,000. So 3,000 into 4 will be 12,000. So how much value of y we have found? It is 12,000. So value I will just write here. You can check once simplifying. So value of y is 12,000. So our answer will be correct, will be C. So R invested 12,000. So by solving this we have found it. If you have any question, you can ping me a comment in chat. Thank you guys.